Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Yeah, it's been a long day, but let me introduce myself. My name is Lashawnterry. Welcome back to all my veterans. Welcome to my new people coming in. Y'all, I went out today to do my doggone food shopping. I get to the meat market, come out, and I had a big old nail in my tire. And I think I picked it up yesterday from where I parked at to get to hike the mountain. Oh my goodness, I was so pissed because that was not on my docket for today, was to go get no tire fix. So I had to call my service advisor at BMW to see if I could bring it in because I have a very busy 4-day weekend and I did not want to be driving around on my spare. And so they was able to get me in, got the tire fixed. But y'all, why is one tire $600? I was 900 miles out for my next oil change and everything. So I just went on ahead and did that while I was there. And then I left probably about 7 something. Went to Costco's, picked up my stuff here and headed on home. And nobody's home, so I gotta take all this stuff out by myself. But here's my Costco haul. I got my Topo Chico. They didn't have the bigger pack anymore. They have bought these back now, which is fine. Got my Sans Pellegrino sparkling waters with the flavors. These are for my event. Got some eggs, some grapes, some butter. This is catfish for my event. Got some ribs. This is for my house. Chicken wings is for my house. The chicken legs is for my event. The french fries and the mozzarella sticks are for my event. And then I got all my steaks right here. My steaks, my bacon. These french fries from Costco's is really good. They changed their mozzarella sticks. They used to be in a box and by a different company. So I hope these are still good. And then I got these. I absolutely love these. They didn't have these at the Costco that's close by me, but they had them at another one. I'm not sure if they got some in, but I didn't like those little trays, Lunchable trays that they have. I like them like this where I could take some off at a time. And so I got me a couple of packs. I got, I think, 4. Yep, I got 4 packs. And I didn't notice they all come by weight either. I just picked up 1 pack the last time. But yeah, these all go by weight. And so these are good in a pinch when you didn't take nothing out to eat, or so let's say you had your meals already and you still kind of want something. You can go break you off a little piece of this salmon. It's good cold. You could pair it with cream cheese, a little gluten-free cracker if you want to. Yeah, so yeah, I bought me a couple of packs of these so I won't be eating up all my steaks all willy-nilly. And also in the video will be included the meat case where I went and got my steaks and stuff from, because everything is wrapped up. Also, what I got from the meat store, I like these big, thick pieces of bacon. They're slab bacon. I really like their meats and stuff. They're really good. I wanted to try this. I hope these are worth the price. I believe it is 4 patties in here, so it comes out to a little over $8 per patty. But look at this, $35.80. These better be real good. The interest got me. I have been seeing them when I first went, and I love Wagyu beef and steaks and stuff, but the price that they got on these, they better be good. And then I got some prime brisket burgers, which are really good. They cook really quick in the air fryer and on the stove. Just don't dry them out because it'll be nasty. So other than my steaks, this is what I got from the spot. Over, I think it was $430 something for everything. So yeah, I still got to go to Trader Joe's to get my eggs and some rice for the boys and stuff like that. But that's going to have to come another day. And I'm about to take all of this stuff in, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Peace. Oh, I forgot these. I got these short ribs. I got 20 of them, you know, for me and the boys. So these are really good. Their short ribs is really good. And then I got these beef chuck eye steaks. I don't know if I had chuck eye before, so I got these as well. So yeah, the rest is in here. So that's all of the meat I got from the meat shop. So this should last us a pretty good time. All right, I'm going for real now. Bye.